Hello friend, welcome to video series of basic electronic subject. Today we will discuss about diode clamper circuits. This is the one of the application of the diode PN junction diode. Using PN junction diode we can design a clamper circuit. In previous video we have discussed about clipping circuit and rectifier. Then after filter, now today we will discuss about clamper. Now let's discuss what is clamper. First of all, clamper is nothing but it is a circuit that adds some DC level to an AC signal. Means if you want to add the DC level or if you want to shift some level of the DC supply or AC supply, then clamper circuit is required. Simply it's clamp thus our AC signal to upside or downside according to the applied voltage. It is called level, it is also called level shifter. Means if you want to shift our level DC level, then clamper circuit is required. Now the basic element of this clamper circuit is nothing but capacitor. Some energy storage device, means capacitor is required, diode and resistor. Also if battery, DC battery, because according to this DC battery level we can shift. Then resistor is used for current limiting purpose, switching purpose diode is required, and some energy storage device is nothing but capacitor. According to this energy storing of capacitor, our level is shifting. So this one is basic idea of clamper circuit. Here you have to remember, if you want to shift, we cannot change the shape of waveform. We can only shifting the DC level or only shifting the our signal to the some level, then this circuit is known as clamper circuit. Now the types of clamper circuit, the first type is positive clamper, then second type is negative clamper, then bias positive and bias negative. These four basic type of clamper circuit. Means if you want to shift our signal to the positive side, if you want to shift our signal to the negative side, or if you want to shift some level, then biasing circuit is required. So it is known as bias positive or bias negative clamper. Then let me start with positive clamper circuit. Friends, here positive clamper circuit is nothing but our original signal, this input signal will shifted to the positive side according to our requirement. So it is called positive clamp. Means the signal is clamped to the positive side. So it is known as positive clamper circuit. Now in this circuit, the input supply, means our AC signal, this is the capacitor and this is diode. The direction of diode is like this, and this is the one resistor. So this basic element of this clamper circuit is capacitor, diode, resistor and supply. So we can shift our signal. Now what happened in this circuit? Now in positive half cycle, that this diode, this is negative, then diode is in reverse bias mode. There is no conduction of diode because diode is in reverse bias. So the positive half cycle diode, this capacitor will start to charging through this resistor, and capacitor will charge up to Vm. Up to Vm, capacitor will charge. Now in negative cycle, this terminal become positive, this terminal become negative. So whenever diode is in forward bias and diode is directly conducting mode. So what happened? This Vm volt, that is previously charged in this capacitor, and this another Vm, it become 2 Vm, and total our value, this voltage, the DC level is shifted over here, and we can say that our original signal, the DC origin line is over here, because this Vm voltage, the charging voltage is located over here. So total our signal become 0 to 2 Vm. So we can say that our signal is shifted to the this DC level line. So our output voltage is Vi plus Vm. Vi is our input voltage and Vm is our Vi and V some charging voltage as well as the input voltage. Vi is input and Vm is charging voltage of this capacitor. So the output voltage is like this. So we can say that we add or introduce some DC level. So our input signal become same, but output signal is levels. Using level shifting, we can change the output waveform DC level. So this is the positive clamper circuit. Now direction of diode, you have to remember direction of diode, because in negative it is change. Now this is positive clamper with positive VR, means here we add some positive voltage with biasing voltage, means further we have to increase the DC level, means here some DC level is increased more than the 0 or minus VM, then we have to add some VR. Here nothing but this is the VR voltage, means VR voltage is it is a voltage that increase the DC level to the our waveform shape is change same, but only DC level here introduce some DC level. According to this battery voltage, we add or remove this DC level. Positive clamper circuit is if bias with some positive reference voltage. VR is nothing but reference voltage. Then according to our reference voltage, our signal is added in the original input waveform. So the total voltage is 0 to 2 Vm plus VR. Here this VR is nothing but reference voltage. So only difference in previous in this circuit is VR. Here we are adding some positive reference voltage, our signal level is changed. Now next one is positive clamper with negative VR, means this is the negative, because negative terminal is upper side and positive terminal is lower side. So it is negative terminal is connected to anode of this diode. So we can directly say that this is the negative, because here you see the below the zero line, here you get some portion of the signal, because this portion is due to this VR. If we increase the VR value, then you get like this waveform, means here below this line you can increase the waveform using this reference voltage. So friends, this one is negative positive clamper with negative VR, means reference voltage is negative. Now next, negative clamping circuit or negative clamper is nothing but the direction of diode is like this. Anode is connected to this terminal capacitor and cathode is connected to the supply. So totally reverse mode of the positive clamper. Here whenever we give this this type of waveform, then our signal will totally become negative, because here the diode direction is like this. And if you remember positive clamper circuit completely, then there is no requirement to and there is no need to understand the negative, because negative is exactly opposite the positive clamper circuit. So here waveform is also opposite, direction of diode is also opposite, and capacitor and resistor is same. So you can directly write or draw the circuit. Friends, you can take a screenshot, so you can you can draw the circuit in your notebook, and you can remember for the exam purpose. Now negative clamper with positive VR. Now positive VR, positive terminal connected to this cathode of this diode, and exactly the opposition of the positive clamper with positive VR. Here you get some voltage over positive voltage, because here positive supply is given to the cathode. So this is about the negative clamper with positive. Here the total signal is become negative, but clamping become some positive portion, and this is the positive voltage. So this one is about positive. Now this negative clamper with negative VR. Now what happened in negative VR? Here voltage supply is in negative mode, so your signal become more negative according to this reference voltage. So here some level is there, here in between some gap is there, and this gap we can increase or decrease using this VR voltage. If we increase the VR voltage, then gap is also increased. So we can directly say that this reference voltage is added in the output voltage. So this is the negative clamper with negative VR, means reference voltage is negative, more negative, then your signal become like this if you increase the more. Now what is the application of this clamping circuit? Here some few application is given. There are the many application of the clamper, such as use as a direct current restorer, then used to remove the distortion, then used to voltage multiplier. Here voltage multiplier is most important application of the clamper circuit that we have discussed in previous video. Friends, if you have not seen this multiplier video, then you can refer this channel, and you can check the multiplier video, so you can easily understand the clamping circuit. So main application of clamping is in multiplier circuit. If you want to increase the level of the signal, if you want to increase, so multiplier circuit is we can design using the clamper circuit. Now another application is used for the protection of the amplifier. For the amplifier protection is also clamping circuit is required. Then use as a test equipment. We can design a test equipment using the clamper circuit. Then use as a baseline stabilizer. We can also design the stabilizer, means main application restorer, distortion remover, then multiplier, then amplifier protection, then test equipment used as a baseline stabilizer. These all are the basic application of the clamping circuit. Okay friends, you have to remember the basic idea of clamping circuit, and you cannot mix you can understand the totally clamping. This is not clipping circuit, so you have to differentiate the clipping as well as clamping circuit. So not mix up these two basic theory of the basic electronic. Okay friends, if you have any query, doubt, then feel free to contact me on this mail id chetanb@drsubhastech.edu.in, so we can understand the whole topic in basic as well as the in application mode. Okay, thank you.